in the application context. So it's just another way to reduce code and use annotations to achieve that goal. Yeah, that can be, yeah, like start up and shut down, or even your own custom ones. You can also send your own application events in the application context. Yeah, and again, if you want to track some of these, you have the Spring Jira issue numbers here for more information. I mentioned this before, so this unified meta annotation programming model with custom attribute overrides, value aliases, et cetera. This is the umbrella issue for that, and we have a couple of sub-issues there. You can follow on that, along with that if you'd like to. Testing with Spring 4.1, as I mentioned, we're going to add support for Groovy config files for your bean definition, so then you can not only write your application code in Spring and your configuration, in Groovy, of course, everything's in Spring, in Groovy and your configuration in Groovy, and now your tests in Groovy, and have it all 100% Groovy. And that'll be Groovy. So here we go, SQL script execution and database configuration. Like I said, we've had this for a while. We just implemented script utils, I think, in 4.03. So we consolidated some of the code we had there before in core JDBC and in the testing framework. And now we've enhanced resource database populator with some more options there. So if you've been using that, you might want to check it out and see some of the new settings you have there. This is also a tentative name for a new feature in testing, so something similar to smaller version of maybe something like DB unit, but where you specify the name of a script saying for each test method in your test class, I want to have a different script executed within my test transaction. Here, this test context bootstrapper strategy. You might not use it as an individual developer, but you might use it on a larger project, or you might find that some third-party frameworks are using it. Basically, what you can do with it is you can decide which default text execution listeners are used and what the type of the context loader is. So we use this internally for the web